All right, I wanted to run through an example of solving an inequality to get it into the form where we can actually graph this. So to do that, I want to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. So I've got negative 4y is greater than or equal to negative 5x, then plus 8. And then I'm going to divide every term by negative 4. Make sure you divide every single term. And remember, when we divide by a negative, our inequality sign flips. So now we've got y is less than or equal to 5/4 x, and 8 divided by negative 4 gives me negative 2. All right, to graph this, I'm first going to figure out what my slope is and what my y-intercept is. Remember, m is slope, so my slope is always attached to x, so it's going to be that 5/4. And then my y-intercept is going to be the number out back, so it's going to be negative 2. So what that looks like, it would be like 0, negative 2 as a point. So I'm going to go over to my graph here and go 0, negative 2. So that's my first point. My second point I'm going to find by using my slope. So 5/4 means that I'm going to go up 5, 3, 4, 5, and then over 4, 3, and then 4. So my second point will be right here. Remember when graphing inequalities that if I've got a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to sign, then it's going to be a solid line. My line's probably not going to be very straight, but so we'll have a solid line right here. And then I need to figure out what side I'm going to shade. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to use a test point. So I'm going to take, and I'm going to switch colors here. My y is less than or equal to 5/4 x, and then minus 2. My test point, I'm going to plug in 0, 0, just because it's the easiest. So if I plug in 0 for y, and then I plug in 0 for x, I'm just going to simplify this. We've got 0, 5/4 times 0 gives me 0, minus 2, so negative 2. So is 0 less than or equal to negative 2? It is not, so this one is false. Because it's false and my test point's right here at 0, 0, I'm going to shade away from my test point. So if your test point is false, you shade away from your test point. If it's true, then you're going to shade where your test point is. I hope that this helps. If you guys have questions on these, please let me know.